As snow begins to melt in late winter, you may observe more sparrows on the sides of the trails where you are bird watching. And at first, you might say, "Oh, let me check these sparrows out. Oh, I see the streaked breast and the often the brown prominent spot on the chest of these sparrows. These are song sparrows. I can see them throughout the year." Oh, and here are sparrows. I know they're cute. These white-throated sparrows. Many have a white stripe on their head, which is set off by these black stripes on either side. Um, Although half of them have a tanner stripe, which isn't as bright. They do share this yellow spot above their bills. And you might think, oh, I like the white-throated sparrows, but I can see them throughout the year. You might take a moment to look at every bird because there might be a sparrow there which you may not be able to see after late winter. So in the northeast United States, there are sparrows which winter here but breed farther north, just as some of our summer birds, say, go down to Virginia or Carolina or Florida or the Caribbean and South America. Some birds from Canada winter here, and so we will not be seeing them come the warmer months. The dark-eyed juncos are easy sparrows to identify. They are actually sparrows, and their gray body color, dark eyes, and when they begin to fly, the white stripes on their tail make them easy to identify. A little more difficult would be tree sparrows. Tree sparrows do not have a streaked breast, so very often when you look at a sparrow, looking at the chest is a good place to start. They may have a dark spot in the middle of this chest. They have more reddish or rufous coloration on their heads, a grayer face, and one of their defining features is a bicolor bill, a bill that has two colors, being darker above and lighter beneath. There might also be the white crowned sparrows, where males possess bright white stripes on the tops of their heads. In females, this is a little tanner, but they also have an unstreaked breast and they have a pink bill. That is a feature which sets them apart from other sparrows. So in this area, tree sparrows and white crowned sparrows will not be observed here in warmer months. And so, if you're bird watching and looking for something special, in late winter, there may not be quite the diversity of birds that you're used to in warmer months, but there are some birds that you will observe only in winter. So that might be something worth noticing.
Here is another species of sparrow, the fox sparrow. In eastern North America, fox sparrows possess a reddish-brown coloration with thick streaks on their chests and gray faces. In other areas of North America, different subspecies can possess a different coloration. Some authorities even treat these four subspecies as separate species. The quote, red fox sparrows pass through northeast United States as they migrate between their breeding grounds south of here and northern Canada.